Hi viewers, today our topic is arc length in degrees and radian. Arc is basically a part of circumference of circle between two radii, and its size is proportional to the given angle. If angle is greater, the arc length will be big. Here you can see that the arc length is minor. There are two types of arc lengths, minor arc length as well as major arc length. We will use the concept of arc length in different questions to calculate the parameters, and later on we will discuss arc length in radian. So you must know the differences of arc length when we use in degree and when we apply in radian concept. So here we have the formula of arc length. Phi represent the angle, and 5/360 multiply circumference. 2 pi r basically circumference. So first question is calculate the perimeter of each of these shapes. Give your answer in exact forms. So it means we will not apply the value of pi. So let's have a look. Here we have a question. As you can see that this line represent arc length. Okay, how to calculate the arc length? And these lines are intersect each other, so the angles which are vertically opposite equal. Here we have also 50. First, this arc length we have angle 50 as well as r represent 12, and here we have 5 represent r and angle 50. So let's have a look. First we will find the arc lengths, and then we will add all the outer lengths to calculate the perimeter. So first arc length, the formula is, you can know, 5/360 or 5/360, and here we have angle 50 over 360 multiply 2 pi r is 12. Okay, so try to simplify but write answer in exact form. We can cancel 0 and 0, so we have 5/360 multiply 2 pi 12. 12 can cancel 36. So we have 5 to the 10, 10 over 3 pi. And second arc length, this one, small arc length, this can be. Now the next arc length is, angle is 50 over 360 multiply 2 pi r is 5. We will try to simplify. Cancel 0 and 0. We have 5/36 pi into 5. We cannot cancel with 5/36, so it is 25/36 pi. And now the perimeter of this whole shape is perimeter. Remember that the perimeter is the total length of outer sides of any shape. That is called perimeter. So a total distance. Okay, so perimeter of the given shape is a 2 arc lengths plus 2 radius for this arc length and the 2 radius for this arc length. That is the perimeter. So with that we can say that 10 over 3 pi plus 25/36. I hope so we can simplify more. If you check carefully here, I missed 2 18s are, so it is 25/18 pi. So look here, 2 can cancel also. So we have 25 over 18 pi plus 12 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5. So if we add all, try to make denominator same, multiply by 6 both. So we have 60 pi plus 25 pi over 18. 12 plus 12, 24 plus 10. That gives us 85 pi over 18 plus 34. And this is the exact answer. We can say that it is in centimeter. I hope so you understand this question. We move on to another question to utilize the concept of arc length. So let's have a look next question. The next question is for the diagram right, calculate the radius of the smaller sector and the perimeter of the shape as well as to find the angle. So first of all, we will try to figure it out angle. Okay, that angle will help us to find out the other answers. So angle is phi, and I will apply the bigger arc length, this one. Again, the formula is same. Arc length is equal phi over 360 multiply circumference 2 pi r. So arc length is 20 and phi over 360 multiply 2 pi r. And we can see that the r of bigger arc length is given, which is 24. So we can replace here 2 pi into 24. So next step, either you can simplify, okay, or okay, we try to simplify here 180. So we have 20 is equal to 5 over 180 multiply 24 pi. And next step, if you try to figure it out, phi is equal to, look, the 180, the position of 180 is in divide, okay, other side it will multiply, means 20 multiply 180 divide by 24 pi. If you check in the calculator, so we have 20 multiply 180 divide 24 shift pi, which gives us 47.7. So phi is equal to 47.7 degree. This is the answer of C part. That will help us to move on next part. And next part is the radius of the smaller sector. So how to calculate this radius? Let's suppose this is x, and arc length, we know that it is 10. So we can say that 10 is equal to angle, we know that, okay, which is 47.7 over 360 multiply 2 pi x. X we are looking, which is the radius of smaller. So again, I will try to make the form for x. So it is 10 multiply 360 over 47.7 into 2 pi. Check in the calculator. So we will figure it out, the radius of the smaller sector. Okay, so we can check here again. 10 multiply 360 47.7 multiply 2 shift this pi, we have 12.0. So 12.0 centimeter. It means this one is 12, this side is also 12, but at the end we are looking, we are Here we are looking the second part answer, which is perimeter of the shape. Okay, for that, perimeter of shape is equal to two arc lengths, which are 20 plus 10, and then we have, look, the total radius or bigger radius is 24, so 24 minus 12, that gives us 12. But this side is 12, this side is also 12. So add 12 plus 12, we will get the answer. So 30 plus 24, that would be equal to 54 centimeter. So this is the answer of B part. Now we will discuss what is radian. So as you can see there, the diagram, in the diagram, the magnitude of angle AOB is 1 radian. And remember that how to change 1 radian, 1 radian to degree, 180 over pi, which is equal to, if we check here, 180 over shift pi, that is equal to 57.3. 57.3. So an arc in radian, how can we say that? Radian is another form to calculate the angles. Okay, and this is also, we can say that, like, when we measure the angles, we use degree concept. So as well as radian is another form to calculate the angles. And an arc in the length to the radius of a circle subtended an angle of 1 radian at the center, means this r is equal to this arc length, sorry, this arc length AB is equal to r theta. So remember, in radian, we will apply the concept of arc length, radius multiply the given angle. Okay, so here, how to change degree to radian? For example, we have 60 degree and we are looking the answer in radian. So we have to multiply with this value, pi over 180. This is equal to 60 multiplied by 3. So which is equal pi over 3. So remember that when we say full circle, we have 360. But in radian, this is in degree, okay? In degree. But in radian, we will say it is 2 pi. Same as half of degree, half of 360 is 180. So half of 2 pi is pi. Half of 180 is 90. So in radian, it is pi over 2. Then 45. These all are in degree, okay? So this would be equal to pi over 4. Same as, but there are the rules to convert also. Let's suppose we have 30, we already changed one. Now if we have, let's suppose any value which is equal in radian, and we say we have 2 radian. Okay, so convert 2 radian into degree. So how to convert 2 radian into degree? To multiply 180, this is radian to degree, yes, over pi, which is equal here 360. You can say that here 360 divide 114.6 in degree. So we can convert like this way. Anyway, we will check a few questions here, which will help us how to apply radian concept. So see here. Next, the circle has radius 6 centimeter and center O. PQ is a tangent line. Tangent line is basically a line which touches one point of a circle and it is a straight line. So we can see that PQ is a tangent line. It touches at this point, and the angle between tangent line and the radius is always 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. So we have this one 6 centimeter. So RO is also 6 centimeter. And next, PQ is a tangent to the circle at the point P. QRO is a straight line. Find the angle POQ. POQ means we are looking this angle. And we know that this is right angle triangle, so we can apply simple trigonometric ratios in A part. And if you check carefully, if angle is here, let's suppose this angle is any angle. You can say that X. And then this side is adjacent and this side is opposite. So opposite over adjacent is always tan. We can say that tan of X, but better we use tan X only. Tan X is equal 8 over 6. So X equal tan inverse 8 over 6. Remember that we are discussing here in radians, okay? So change the mode in your calculator in radian. Here we have shift and then this. Yes, so 4. Now it is in radian. So I will apply 10, shift 10 inverse 8 over 6. That gives me 0.927. 0.927. This is the answer of first part. And then the length of QR. If you check QR, it is the longest side opposite to the 90 degree. If we can apply Pythagoras theorem for B part, it is QR. They want QR, okay, but you can find QR only when you know QO or OQ. So we can say that here OQ whole square is equal to sum and square of other two sides, means 8 square plus 6 square, which gives us 64 plus 36, which is equal 100. OQ whole square, if you take square root on both sides, it gives us OQ 10 centimeter. This is not our answer. They want us to find QR. Okay, so QR is equal to total length is 10. So 10 minus radius 6, which gives us 4 centimeters. So this is the answer of B part. And then next, calculate the perimeter of shaded part. So before calculating shaded part, we have to find arc length. This arc length PR. So arc length, which is PR, I will apply radian concept. So R theta, okay. So the radius we know that, which is 6, and angle we find it in the first part 0.927. So if you check in the calculator, it is 6 multiply 0.927. That gives us 5.56. 5.56. At the end, you can add all to find the perimeter of this all region of shaded part. This one. This is 4, 8 plus 5.56. So this is the answer of C part. Perimeter is equal perimeter of the shaded part, okay? 8 plus 4 plus 5.56, so which gives us 12 plus 5.56 is 17.6. Three significant figure, you can say that. So this is your required answer. We apply arc length concept to find out the perimeter. I hope so you understand. We move another question. That is the So see in this question they want us what? The circle has radius 7 centimeter and center O. As you can say that the angle is it in radian to radian. We can, if your mode in radian in your calculator, you can use directly. Otherwise you can change. So AB is a chord and angle AOB 2 radian. So length of AB is arc length. This one. If I change the color, that is good. So this one arc length AB. So arc length AB equal R theta. Very easy. We know R is 7 and angle is given, which is 2 radians. So we have 14 and it is arc length, so centimeter. B part, they want the chord length. This one. So for chord length, we will apply cosine rule from trigonometry to calculate. And you can see that the other two sides, you know that these two sides and the angle also as well. So A B whole square is equal to sum and square of other two sides. 7 square plus 7 square minus 2 into 7. 7 cos 2 radian. So this is 49 plus 49 minus 98 cos 2. We can check here in the calculator. 49 plus 49 minus 98 bracket open cos 2. So we have 138.78, okay? 138.78, but this is AB whole square. So we will find out only AB by taking square root on both sides. So AB is equal to square root of the answer, that gives us 11.78. So three significant figure, 11.8 centimeter. So last part, the perimeter of the shaded segment. So perimeter of shaded segment is, we already know that AB arc length is 14 plus the chord length. The chord length AB is 11.8. So we have 14 plus 11, 25.8, and it is perimeter, so centimeter. I hope so you understand, and see you with next video. Take care. Bye.